Hi, this is the intro to Math 116, a survival guide. My name is Jean Krischbaum, and I am not the math teacher from the Black Lagoon. I've been teaching at Broome for about 25 years now, so it's been a really great experience, and hopefully you will think this course is a great experience. Let's get to the objectives. There's 3 of them for me. To help you think about math in a more positive way, to see where math can be used in your life, and to get you to solve problems in traditional paper and pencil methods and non-traditional ways using technology. You can even take Math 116 even if you have not had Math 115. You can even take both courses in the same semester. The schedule. The timeline will be your schedule, and you should look at it daily. It's located in Module 1. Look at the calendar on the left sidebar, and it'll contain the due dates for all discussions, activities, tests, and the final. I also post announcements reminding you about the due dates. Look at the announcements on the left sidebar as well. To log into Blackboard, which you've already done, the web address is broome.open.suny.edu. You just have to click on Math 116 for your list of courses. And that's located right here. Now, once you're in Blackboard, the thing that you need to pay attention to most are the announcements, right here. It's tiny. The content and grades. So those are the 3 things that you need. Also, you might have to go into the discussion area. The way the modules are set up, there's 5 total modules. The first module is just kind of like a getting started thing, making sure you read the course policy, doing the objective, and those questions are based on the course policy. A discussion about where you're at and stuff. And then the second module starts the actual math work. So you'll see if you open Module 2, you can go into lecture notes and lecture videos. So if you go into the videos section, it's going to give you a video presentation of every single section so that you are able to do the activities more easily. And then underneath are a bunch of activities, and then there's also some discussions, so there'll be 4 discussions in the class. Okay, in the lecture videos, I'll tell you which lecture video to watch for which homework assignment and which activities. So there's a whole bunch of them. You just click on them, and it's like watching a YouTube video. You can watch them over and over again till you get it. If you're not getting it, then you can contact me. But please watch the videos because they are really detailed as to how to do the activities. They take you through it. Basically, I do a problem, and then the activity is a similar problem. So you just have to click on the... Okay, how to navigate the learning material. Again, I'm just going to recap, okay? Each section has 1 or more lecture videos to help you learn the material. Some sections do have 2. These videos will help you do the activity, tests, and the homework. Now, I just changed additions to the textbook, so the videos may reference Chapter 9, but really Chapter 8. And this is in Module 3, or it'll reference Chapter 12 when I really mean Chapter 11. You'll see the comment under the video that this is really for Section 8.1 or something like that. The timeline and announcements will tell you which videos to listen to for each activity or homework. Homework and the textbook. You must create a MyMathLab account if you don't already have one. You can do this by clicking on the MyMathLab tab and then on the MyMathLab homework. Okay, the MyMathLab tab is located on the left. The program will prompt you to buy a code online or buy a code from the bookstore. You can buy a code from the bookstore. You will not need an actual text. The MyMathLab has an e-text in it. If you took Math 115 online last semester, it is probably you won't have to buy another code. It'll just take you right to the homework. Once you put in the code, clicking on MyMathLab homework will take you right to the site. All homework is to be completed on this site. The text online is the 5th edition of Mathematics All Around by Pernod. So once you're in MyMathLab, you'll get something that looks like this, and you just click on the assignment that's due. Okay, then you click on a question. Once you are in the question area, let's say you don't know how to do this problem, they have several question help to help me solve this. View an example, go to the textbook where it is, you can email me, or you could print the question out to look at it. If you do a help me solve this, it will take you through step by step, but once you're done, it's going to give you another problem that you have to do on your own. As opposed to view an example, it'll just take you through another example, and then you can do your problem. It's up to you. I really like these help buttons. You have to click on question help to get the buttons down. So how many of each, and what are you going to have to do? There's 4 discussions worth 10% of the grade, so please participate in them. Okay, if you don't do them, you go from an A to a B, and they're really easy. They're not difficult at all. If you have issues, you just need to email me. I would prefer that you email me through MyMathLab or on my email address through sunybroom.edu, because the Blackboard ones aren't as good, but I'll be looking at the Blackboard messaging that you can do, and I check it daily. There's 9 activities worth 30% of the grade. The MyMathLab homework is 10%. And there's 3 tests worth 30% and the finals worth 20%. So 50% of the grade you have control over. The homework you can do till you get 100%. Let's say you get a homework question wrong. If you look, there's a button that says do a similar exercise, and you can redo that problem so you can get 100 on all the homeworks. The activities, if you do them and you submit them, and you didn't get them all right, I make comments, and you can resubmit to get a better grade. So there's really no reason for you guys not to get decent grades in this. If you just put some effort into this class, you can get an A in it. 4 discussions, participate in them, and you'll get your credit. So boom, bada bing, bada boom, you know. The tests, and so if you're not really good at tests, then this portion, if you do well, you can get almost 50 points. You know, it's almost to a passing grade. Advice: do the work, all of it. Assignments are given on the calendar. Do all the assignments on time. Ask lots of questions via email, my office hours, or the Math Lab in Library Room 010 if you're on campus. Get help when you need it and don't wait. Okay, and make sure you look at all the announcements. Now here's the deal, you guys. If your computer does not have the capacity to read Word documents or do anything in Microsoft Word or read Excel documents or do anything in Microsoft Excel, you need to get out of this course, okay? Because if you can't read the stuff that's on the website, you're in big trouble. The other alternative is that you do this work on campus where there is access to computers that have that technology. But you can't take an online course and have inferior technology. So please check to make sure you can open the documents. And if you're having issues, please email me and leave your cell phone number and I will call you so that we can work this out. I had a student fail last semester because she couldn't access anything. So please, please be proactive. And remember, a day without math is like a day without sunshine. So here's the deal, you guys. I really want to help you. Let's get through this course and have a great semester.